and welcome back to my channel. Today I solve a question in LeetCode 287. Find the duplicate number. In this video, I will show you a simple, clean, interview-ready approach using C++ to solve the find duplicate number problem. So here given an array nums contain n plus 1 integer where each number is in the range 1, n. Our task is to find the duplicate number. To solve this problem, what's our approach? We use a hash map, order map, unordered map to track element, transfer the array. If the number is not seen, then store it. If number is already seen, then return it immediately. This allows us to detect duplicate in one pass. So let's start the code. First we write unordered list on unordered map. Then we take int another int frequency. It store key value pair. After that we run a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size plus I. Then we check condition if frequency nums I equal to 0, then we store frequency nums I equal to 1. If find a duplicate, then run else return nums I immediately. If no condition found, then we return -1. Return -1. First we run the code. Here three cases are processed. Now write in the code how its code work. So here given an example, nums equal to 1, 3, 4, 2. Now start with step 1. Step 1. Here I equal to 0. I equal to 0. Then num I equal to 1. After that, before frequency, it has empty frequency. After we check condition, it's I0 equal to 0 means 0 equal to 0. We check this condition if frequency num I equal to 0. If action, then action equal to take store the num I 1. After frequency, it store 1 in key value pair 1:1. After having output is dash, no output, no duplicate found. After then we check step 2. Here I equal to 1. In I equal to 1, then num 1 equal to 3. Then here after before frequency, here having 1:1. After here the check condition if frequency num I equal to 0. Here also frequency 1 equal to 0. After that we store num 3. Here store 3. After that our frequency has 1, 1, 1:1, then 3:1, 3 also 1. After here output also here no duplicate found, then output is dash. After that we check third step. Here I equal to 2. Here I equal to 2. Then num2 equal to 4. Then we check write the frequency. Here frequency is 1 is 1 time. Then 3 is also 1 time. After that here check condition frequency num I equal to 0 means num 2 equal to 0 is condition is pass, no repeated. So here we write 0 equal to 0. Then we store number 4, store fourth number. Then after frequency we write here here 1 also 1 time. Then 3 also 1 time. Then 4 also 1 time. Here no duplicate found. Then output also dash. Then we go to step 4. Here here I equal to 3. Then we check num3 equal to 2. Then we write the frequency before. Here 1 also 1. Then 3 also 1 time. Then 4 also 1 time. After that here also check frequency num I equal to 0 means here no duplicate found. So here we write 0 equal to 0. We store the number 2. So here we store number 2. Then after frequency having 1 also 1 time, 3 also 1 time, then 4 also 1 time, then 2 also 1 time. After that no duplicate found, then output also dash. Then we check condition step fifth. Step fifth. Here I equal to now 4. Here at the 4. Here is num of 4 equal to 2. Here before frequency having here 1 also 1 time, then 3 also 1 time, then 4 also 1 time, then 2 also 1 time. Here 2 is repeated duplicate means here 1 equal to 0 means duplicate found. Here we write duplicate found. Here it's a duplicate found here. After that it's after frequency is dash no found, and we write the here after frequency dash here we write in the condition if no found. Write the condition if not found, then return num side immediately. So we return here 2 duplicate is found. This is the perfect solution of this question. It solved the question duplicate 1. Here we use unordered map normally in frequency store the frequency of number. Frequency num I equal to 0 means number not seen before. Store it mark as a visited. If already present then duplicate found. Why these approaches work? Fast lookup using hash map. Detect duplicate instantly, easy to understand and implement. Now we submit the code. It all the 59 cases are passed. So here is time complexity is OFN and space complexity is OFN. This problem test has concept, efficient searching and understand of data structure. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your doubts, subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.